How to hide members in Telegram group. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to hide members in Telegram group. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Telegram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on any group that you have created. Then tap on your group name. Then tap on this edit icon. Then tap on the members option which is at the bottom of your screen. Now just select any member that you want to hide. As you can see, after the latest Telegram update, they have removed the hiding option. So it is not possible to hide any member, but what you can do instead is remove that member from the group. So that's basically how you can hide members in Telegram group. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.